So we're going to rationalize the denominator. You will take your denominator, you will take your question, that is given fraction 1 upon root 7 plus root 2. I'll take my denominator root 7. Since it is plus root 2, I'll take minus root 2. So we will change the sign in the denominator and multiply in numerator as well as denominator. So look, this denominator is multiplied with both the terms of the fraction by changing its sign. So when I'll multiply this numerator root 7 minus root 2 with 1, so it will remain as root 7 minus root 2 upon, look at this, these two will multiply together, denominators will multiply together. So it's look like 7 root 7 plus 2 root 7 minus 2. So can I say it's look like a plus b, a minus b? Yes, so we have formula a plus b, that is a square, a that is root 7 minus b square, b square. So a square minus b square. Here you can mention a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So a plus b, this is a plus b, a minus b. So this part is a minus b. When you multiply a plus b, a minus b, it should be a square minus b square. So look at this. This is a square minus b square. What is a? Root 7 can be considered as a and root 2 can be considered as b. So thereby root 7 square minus root 2 square will be your a square minus b square. Now root 7 minus root 2 upon this square, if I'll square root 7, it will give you 7. If you square root 2, it will give you 2. Now root 7 minus root 2 and 7 minus 2, that is 5. And this is my final answer. Hope it is clear to everybody. Now let us take another question. We're done with this question. We're going to take this question number 2. 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 into root 2. 3 upon 2 root 5 and minus 3 root 2. So this is our question or given fraction. Again we need to rationalize the denominator. I'll take the denominator. First we will write our fraction 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. Then I'll multiply denominator 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 upon, since it is minus, so here I'll take plus because we are changing the sign. Again, I'll repeat same number 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Now, we can multiply. So, this 3 will multiply with 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon, look at this part is a minus b and this is a plus b. So simply we can say a square minus b square. A square, that is 2 root 5 square minus b square. B is 3 root 2 whole square, like this. Then this 3 will multiply in numerator. You will multiply 3 with this term, as well this 3 will multiply with this term. Look at this, when you multiply this 3 with this 2, it will become 6 root 5 plus, again this 3 will multiply with this 3, 3 3s are 9 root 2. When you take out square of this bracket, so 2 square will give you 4, and this square and root will cancel, and you will have only 5, minus again 3 square, that is 9, and this root can be cancelled if you square it, which will give you 2. So numerator will remain as 6 root 5 because they are unlike terms, unlike shirts. So we cannot add in anything in numerator. In denominator, it's 4 5s are 20 minus 9 2s are 18. So your final answer is 6 root 5 plus 9 root 2 upon 20 minus 18, that is 2. So this is my final answer. So when you rationalize the denominator of this given fraction, your new resulting fraction will look like this. And as you can see, your denominator is in simplified form, which is a proper natural number, a common natural number. But initially in the given fraction, 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2, they are shirts, and which is a complex form of number, and that is the reason there was necessity to rationalize the denominator. So hope it is clear to everybody. Now let us move on next question. In same manner, I'll write my fraction root 5 minus root 3, again root 5 plus root 3, and I'll multiply with the denominator by changing its sign. So my denominator is root 5 plus root 3, so I'll take root 5 minus root 3. Root 5 minus root 3. Remember, I am not multiplying the fraction by numerator. I am using my denominator by changing its sign. So root 5 minus root 3. Its numerator, when you multiply, it's look like a minus b, a minus b, a minus b, a minus b 2 times. So we can say a square, a minus b the whole square. So root 5 minus root 3 whole square upon, and this denominator look like a plus b, a minus b. So here we can take a square minus b square, like this. Then in numerator we can apply a minus b the whole square formula. A minus b the whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a square, that is root 5 square, minus 2 into a into b plus b square. Then denominator a square minus b square. So this can be written as, this square and root will get cancelled. So here we will have only 5 minus 3. Same way 5 minus this root 5 and root 3 will multiply together, will give you 15. So this can be written as 2 root 15 plus 3. 5 minus 3, that is 2. When you add 5 and 3, you will get 8. So here I can take 8 minus 2 root 15 upon 2. Further we can simplify this. Look at this. This term is 8 and this is 2. So I can take out 2 as a common factor. So this 8 is actually 4 into 2. So if you take out 2, 4 is left within the bracket, minus. So this 2 is went out. Here we have only root 15, bracket close, upon 2. So this is your new resulting fraction. This 2 and 2 in the numerator and denominator can be cancelled. Now 4 minus root 15. This is your final answer for this question number 4. Hope it is clear to everybody.